Nose hole is not nose hole, is nostril.
Welcome back to my channel. You know the real Tassie. So today I'll be doing
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Tassie and I'm back with another video period. So today I will be doing how Jamaican call their body parts. I'll be doing a 9 funny Jamaican body part name. Yeah, you know Jamaicans have them saying for everything, they change up everything and they own a wheel. You feel me? So I'll be doing that. But before I get into that, like, share, and comment, and please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be first to have when I post a new video. Yeah. So I'll be telling y'all how Jamaicans call their body part name and telling you the right correct name for that body parts. Yes. Yes. But guys, I realize that my views is not adding up with my subscribers. I'm asking y'all, please. If you're watching the video and you're not subscribed as yet, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. Just support me. Support me now. Just support me now. That's why the Jamaican people think, like, you see, if we did live Chinese and American people live way better than life, right? We don't support each other. Support me now. Support me. You see me? Support me. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Yeah, so the first one is Farido. Farido. Yeah. Farido. Farido. Jamaican say Farido. But it's not Farid, it's forehead. Forehead. Not forehead, but forehead. I'll put the writing on the screen. Yeah. To show you how Jamaicans spell Farid instead of forehead. Number 2, hand miggle. Hand miggle. Hand miggle is not hand miggle. It's not hand miggle people. It's not hand miggle Jamaicans. It's a palm. It's palm, right? It's not hand miggle. It's palm. Number 3, foot bottom. Foot bottom. It's not foot bottom. It's sole of the foot. It's not no foot bottom. It's sole of the foot. Yeah. In life, not even in life, but in Jamaica, most Jamaicans cannot speak proper English. They cannot even spell proper English. And you know why? Because they practice to speak so badly, it's affecting them. In high school, it's affecting them because because I was born and grew up in the Bahamas, but I came in Jamaica, but I was not 16 now, and when they get a story to write, they be writing the same way how they talk, like the same patois they speak. They be writing stories and those stuff in the same patois, and they get graded down because it's spelled incorrect. Yeah, it's spelled incorrect. You feel me? And that not right at all. So you should always try to speak English. I'm not saying that y'all should throw away the patois, but always try to speak proper English. So if you go to a speaking English country, you will be flawless. Like your English will be fluent. Yeah. Anyway, Noah's hole. Nose hole is not nose hole, it's nostril. Yeah, it's nostril, not no nose hole. Yeah, it's not no nose hole, it's nostril. Anyway, let's get to the next one. Jaw corner. Jaw corner. On the jaw corner is a jaw. It's jaw. Look on our jaw corner. What name jaw corner? What name jaw corner is the jaw? The jaw. Yeah. Anyways, knee cup. Not knee cup. It's not no knee cup. A cup is what you drink out of. It's not knee cup. It's knee cap. Me I tell you, no. Me wonder if they really listen to what they must say before they speak. At Jamaica, me live no, but Me not gonna tell you say me not speak Jamaican, you know, but me know a little English, you see me? And the reason why I speak Jamaican because when I just came to Jamaica is like when I be speaking English or when I be speaking in the Bahamian because I was born and raised in the Bahamas, it's like they be saying, what? Me can't hear you. What you say? Me can't understand. So me just talk Jamaican if you please. You see me? Because I cannot be repeat myself continuously and it's annoying. Yes, it's annoying. You see me. Anyways, yeah. So, this is the actually the first time I'm hearing this word. I never heard Jamaican use it before, but I'm still gonna say it. Cabbage hole, like cabbage hole. I'll put the writing on the screen, like I said. Cabbage hole. Cubbitch. I don't really know what is that, but cabbage hole, and that is nape of the neck, right? Yeah, like the neck back when they call the neck back. Yeah, the nape or the nap of the neck, the nap of your neck. Let's get right into the other one. Navel. I've been a father. What name navel? Is navel. What name navel? It's not navel. It's navel. Yeah, it's not Nable, but it's a Navel. Not navel, but navel. Anyways, so this is so common. Navel string or navel string is the umbilical cord. It's umbilical cord, not navel string or navel string. String. Yeah. So the last and final one is heel back. Mighty God, no. Heel back, you know? It's heel, not heel back. It's the heel. Not heel back, but the heel. Yes, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Remember to hit the notification bell so you'll be first to reply when I post a new video. And the most important thing is please remember to subscribe. Yeah, right true. Follow me at my Instagrams at itassi, it's underscore tassi, and follow my other Instagram at underscore miss.miserable. Period. Yeah, thanks for watching.